Hey, here we go. So I picked up the new Osmo, DJI Osmo for my smartphone. I've had several of these over the years. I just want to give you a quick review of it and show you what's in the bag. So it comes with this carrying bag, which is nice. The Osmo now is collapsible, breaks down to just that size, quickly folds up and is ready to go. So it's going to be super easy to fit in your bag, quick and easy. So that's the device itself. Pack it up, throw it in your bag, move on. Ta-da. Also, it does come with a tripod, small low profile tripod, so you can go ahead and screw that on there. It works as an extension too, so if you're trying to get a longer reach, you can do that, 2 hands. But if you're going to stabilize it, you can drop it down like that and away you go. The next thing that's in the bag, and this seems like a small item, but it's an aluminum magnetic clip. You can see how it opens and closes. And the great thing about it is with the older models, you had kind of a vise or a clip, that spring-loaded clip you had to mount your phone in. This one, because it folds down, you don't need to do that. It's all set, and then it boom pops up. What you do with this clip, which is really a great little deal, it just jumps right on your phone like that. It won't, unless you have a super slim case, it won't work with your case. But for the most part, it works pretty well just like that. You want to make sure it's centered on the phone, of course. And once it is, you don't have to take this on and off. You can just throw it in your pocket and go about your day, no problem. And then if you need to use your gimbal, you just pop it out. It matches right up like so onto your gimbal. Fire the gimbal up. Automatically, notice it does go into portrait mode, but then I can go ahead and double click and I'm right away into landscape mode, and now I've got my gimbal up and running just like that. And it does have the joystick and all the different functions that you would expect out of a DJI Osmo. So that's pretty awesome, works really great. Super easy. Then when you're done with it, you just go ahead and shut it down, pull your phone off the top of it, pack it up, and throw it back in the case and move on with your day. So super nice. Now, one of the things that's a big benefit that I found that I really like about it is this spring-loaded clip. It's aluminum, manufactured aluminum, really feels good quality. You can leave it on your phone, but this is a magnet on the back side right here. And so this whiteboard here is magnetic, and you can see I can just drop it on there and away we go, it sticks, which is kind of nice, especially if you're gonna go and you're walking around and you wanna do a selfie. You can just stick it on a steel pole and it will stay there. If you wanna do the selfie video, if you wanna use your regular camera, stick it on a pole like this and it will stay there, and you can be off and running, no problem. And like I say, you don't have to take it on and off. You could leave it right there. You could even set it up in your car to be a dash mounted magnet. This is a pretty strong magnet that's on here, so it's not going to fall off. It'll stay there just fine, and then you can shoot and scoot, throw it right back in your pocket, away you go. You don't have to take it in and out of your case. And then you go ahead and you say, okay, I want to get back out, I want to shoot another video. Boom, drop it right in there, turn it on, pops right back into portrait mode, jump into landscape mode, and I'm off and running, catching my videos. Really great device, great value too. So I thought I'd share it with you. That's the DJI Osmo 4th edition, I believe it is, 3rd or 4th edition. Great option. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.